by and take a look at the 2014 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, trip computer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.